Hi, this is Mark Brown with the Pulaski County Cooperative Extension Service, and we work with Central Arkansas Water on an outdoor water efficiency program called Central Arkansas Sprinkler Smart. It's a program aimed at helping homeowners with automatic sprinkler systems to be more efficient and to lower their overall water usage. Today we're at the Jack Wilson treatment plant, and we're going to talk to the Director of Source and Treatment here and have him tell us a little bit about peak day demand and also peak hourly demand and how that affects the treatment process for Central Arkansas Water.
Peak demands are the times of highest water use and are greatly influenced by outdoor lawn irrigation. There are two types of peak demands. There's peak day demand and peak hourly demand. During the winter months, water consumption averages about 48 million gallons per day. The peak day in 2012 was 126 million gallons per day on July 30th. So it was 150% higher than the winter average demand. The treatment plants must be designed to meet this peak day demand. Peak hourly demand occurs between the hours of 5:30 and 7:30 a.m. when most people are getting up for work, getting ready for work, showering, and there's also a lot of lawn sprinklers running. Some of the problems this can cause is it can create low pressures in areas of high water use, and it can also create the need for costly infrastructure improvements such as larger water mains, additional pumps, additional water storage tanks. Customers can help keep their water bill low by delaying the need for these costly improvements. To reduce the hourly demand, customers need to avoid watering or running lawn sprinklers between the hours of 5:30 and 7:30. To help reduce the peak day demand, customers just need to use water wisely, avoid water waste such as sprinkling the driveways.
There are simple functions that we can do on our control box for our sprinkler systems to help reduce the peak day demand and also the peak time demand. The first one is simply just reducing the amount of minutes that we run our sprinkler system for. The second is simply using the multi-start time function in their control box, and that is simply done by going to your program start times and just setting your first start time to start, say at 4:30, so before that peak time starts, and then advancing up to your second start time and starting that second one, say at 7:30 after the peak time has ended. So those are two simple functions that you can use just by simply coming out here and changing a few buttons on your control box. So you can see that reducing our overall usage for our sprinkler systems can not only help protect our water source, but it can also help the customer to actually lower their water bills. So there are a few simple things that a homeowner can do by simply making a few adjustments on their control box to help lower that water usage and still maintain a healthy and happy landscape.